Alright, so this is the Roomba 770, and I put some, what was that, crumbs down on the ground, a lot of them. So normally this thing will run on its own. You just set the time and the schedule and what time you want it to go every morning, or like for this one, typically we have it run at like 5 or 6 in the morning while we're still asleep. And then it does this thing for about an hour and a half, and then it goes home back to the dock and recharges itself. So, but to start it normally, manually, you just hit the button and then back out. There you go. There it goes. Alright, so here it is. Let's try to run it over an edge. So it will not go over edges. It's got little sensors that tell it where it is, and if it detects a cliff, it will stop, back itself up, and go the other direction. Alright, so this is upstairs and pretty thick carpet. Under the bed it goes. See if it goes through the storage. Yep. Away it goes.